Let's talk about can or can't. One. Which one is correct? See. He can see. يعني يستطيع أن يرى. ينظر. See. He can see. This one. Draw or read?
Draw.
So she can?
Draw.
She can draw. She can draw. This one.
She can't.
He can
He can
fish.
fish.
He can
Fish.
fish. This one.
He can sing.
Yes. This one.
He can.
And now how many people we have here? Many people. So they can
Fly.
yeah, they can fly. Yeah, they can fly. This one.
They can.
She
She
can run.
run.
She can run. This one.
She can.
He or she? He.
He.
Okay.
He can jump.
He can jump. This one.
He
can cook. He can cook or draw.
No.
يرسم أو يطبخ. He can cook or he can draw.
Cook.
Okay. This one. He
can
play the piano.
piano.
He can play the piano. This one. And now we have read, write, play soccer, play basketball. Here fish, ride a bike. Okay, so let's look here and complete this. So Jim can read and he can write. He can write. Okay? He can read and he can write. 2. He can play soccer. He can play soccer. But he cannot play basketball. He can't play basketball. He can fish. But he can't ride a bike. He can't ride a bike. Let me ask you questions. What is your name?
My name is
Mariam.
Mariam.
How old are you?
8.
Yes, I am 8. Can you play the drum?
Yes.
Yes, I can.
I can.
Can you fly?
No.
No, I can't. Can you ride a bike?
No.
No.